Good morning, children. How are you all? I hope you all are fine. Today we are going to see the fourth lesson in the computer, that is a more with paint. In this lesson we are going to see some of the important options of MS Paint. In the second standard we saw about the paint and how to color the paint and how to draw the pictures. In this lesson we are going to see the how to open a paint, tools in the paint, and working with drawings and saving and opening a document. Next we are going to see about starting a paint. Paint is the program. It is used to draw the pictures and paint the images. Okay, let us see how to open a MS Paint software. Just go to the start button in the desktop, select the all programs option and then accessories and then MS Paint. This is the procedure to open a MS Paint. Start, all programs, accessories, MS Paint. Then the MS Paint screen will open. See, this is the tools in the MS Paint. Look at the picture. All the tools are available in the home tab itself. If you want to give the size for the outline of the picture, just go to the size tab and select the required size. If you want to give colors for this picture, go to the color palette and select the colors for the pictures. These all are some of the tools available in MS Paint: rectangle tool, oval tool, line tool and curve tool. Next, color picker tool. This tool is used to select the color for the pictures. See, suppose if you want to select this blue color and to this circle, just click on the select the color first and then go to the color picker tool and then give the color to the selected picture. Look at here, the blue color will be appear here. Color picker tool is used to give the same color for two pictures. Next we are going to see how to add a text in the pictures. To add a text in the picture, just select the A. This is A icon is used to type a text in the shapes. So just click on that A icon. The box will be appeared in the shapes. Type the required text. Then the text will be appeared in the selected shape. This is the way to add a text in the shapes. This is the icon for adding a text, A icon. And next we are going to see working with a drawing, how to select a image. There are two options are available to select a text. One is the rectangular selection and next one is the freeform selection. Rectangular selection is used to select the text or images like this in the rectangular shape. Freeform selection is used to select the image in the whatever shape we want to cut the image. We can select using the freeform selection. To do so, first go to the home tab and then select this select option. The two options are available there: rectangular selection, freeform selection. So click and drag the mouse in the screen, then the image will be selected. This is the way to select a drawing. Next we are going to see about a cut, copy and paste images. Cut, copy, this is the icon for cut and this is the paste copy icon and this is the paste icon. Suppose if we want to cut the image and going to paste somewhere, we can use this cut and copy image option. Okay, first select the image we want to cut and then go to the paste option. Paste, select the location, click paste option. The image will be pasted there. This is the way to cut and paste. What is the difference between cut and copy? Cut will cut the image permanently, but copy is make a duplicate of the image and make the two copy of the image, but cut creates only one copy of the image. Next we are going to see about a rotate option. See, if we want to rotate the images, we can use this rotate option. 5 options are available in this rotate. First one is the rotate right 90 degree, rotate left 90 degree, rotate 180 degree, flip vertical, flip horizontal. 5 options are available in this rotate option. Look at this picture. This is the image, first image. If we want to click this rotate 90 degree, the image will be turned like this. And then if we click rotate left 90 degree, the image will be rotated in this direction. Flip vertical is the image will be vertically flipped, and horizontal means the image again go to the own position. Next is the resize or skew the drawings. Resize option is used to change the size of the images. To change the size of the image, first select the drawing and then go click on the skew option. The dialog box will appear like this. In this type the required pixel size for the images, then the image will be changed like this. Click OK. The image will be changed like this. So this is the way to use the resize or skew option. Next we are going to see save and opening a document. Save option is used to save the documents for our future purpose. So we should save the document. First go to the file tab and then click the save option. The dialog box will appear. Type the name of the file and then click save button. The file will be saved. And then next, how to open a document. The same way, go to the file tab. The menu will be appear. Click the open option. The dialog box will appear. From the type the name of the drawing file and then click open. The file will be opened. This is the way to save and open a document. Select tool is used to. So let us revise what all are the options we see in this lesson. First is the select tool. Select tool is used to select the part of the drawing. Flip means rotate the drawing horizontally or vertically. Resize means changing the size of the picture horizontally or vertically. At last we saw about saving and opening a document. Okay children, go through the video. Have a nice day.